So now let's see how to edit videos using the Photos app in Microsoft Windows 10. So I'm going to go over here onto the Cortana search and I'm just going to type in Photos right over here, and then I'm going to press enter right over here. And here you can see that I got some video clips just like that. So what I did already is that I went into folders right over here. I went to add in a folder. So I went to add in folder. I went to my documents right over here where my videos were located. So I got 3 video clips in this folder. So I just added this folder right over here, which is this folder, as you can see right here. So if I were to go on to collection, then I can see my 3 video clips right over here, as you can see. So now what I can do is I can start editing it. So to edit it, I can go to video editor right over here, just like this. And then I can choose the photo or video that I want to bring in. In my case, I'm just going to use the 3 video clips right over here. So let me just go back. I'm going to click on new video right here. And from new video, you can see that you got automatic video as an option, which automatically edits the video as you select out images and videos. But I'm going to go for manual approach and take the new video project option. So I'm just going to click on that right over here. So once I do that, I'm going to give it a name. So let's say I'm going to say test video edit, just like that, and press OK. So once I do that, I can add in my videos right here. So I'm going to click on add. I can do from my collection or from my PC. So I'm just going to go from my collection right over here where there's my video clips, 3 video clips right over here. And so I'm going to add it out. I can also go over here and choose from my PC and then choose the videos that I want to import out right from there as well. So there are different ways on how you can view these videos. And since I got only 3 clips, let me just click this icon right here so that I can see it more clearly. So now I know that this is 28-second video right here, 7-second video, and a 25-second video. So what I want to do is I want to just select portions of that video. So let's say first 3 to 4 seconds and keep them out together in order. Let's say the first 2 people are walking in a local restaurant and then ordering some drink right over here. So I'm going to bring in the first video clip right over here onto the storyboard section right over here. So let me just drag it on over here. And what I want to do now is I want to work around with trimming this video. So you can see that there are the video editing options right over here. So there's trim options, split, and so forth. So I'm going to go for trim right over here. So let's say I want to only bring up the first 3 to 4 seconds. So you can see that right now it is selecting from 0 to 28 seconds right over here. But as I drag this along, you can see that I can select the first few seconds only. So I don't want any of these. I just want, like, let's say them walking around. So let's say first 3 seconds, that's it. So first 3 seconds, and that's it. Press done. And there you go, the first 3 seconds. If you were to play it, you'll be able to see only the first 3 seconds now, as you can see. So that is what I wanted. So now let us look at other options. So I'm going to go around here onto the local portion right over here, and then I'm going to trim that out as well. So trim it out into the first 3 seconds right over here as well. So first 3 seconds, just like this. Okay, and then I can go over here and then just press done, just like that. So that is done as well. And the third option over here, so let me just go over here and then go around here on to trim and then select that out, first 3 seconds, just like this. Okay, so first 3 seconds, and maybe not the first 3 seconds, but somewhere around in between where the cup is filling out right over here, and press done, just like that. So now I got my first video edit basically. So if I were to press play, you got the people walking, then you got like the local restaurant logo right over there, and then a glass being filled up, just like that. So that is how the video is being edited right over here. You can also add in a title card. So I'm going to add in a title card right over here. That means the beginning of the video edit, as you can see. So I'm going to go around here and then I want to edit this. So I'm going to go around here and then edit this. So I'm going to select the title card right here. I can select the duration. So let's say this is going to be for the first 2 seconds right here. I'm going to go to text right over here and then choose the type of the title that I want. So let's say I want to choose something like this one, for example. And then I'm going to change the text right over here. Let's say, for example, local food right over here, and then I can choose where I want to place my title over here, as you can see. So I'm just going to keep it like this on the center and press OK. Right, I can also go to the background and choose the color from right over here as well, or choose the custom color as well. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, press OK, and there you go. So now what happens is that you got all of your video edits right over here, just like this. So now let's see some other options you have for the videos as well. So once you go to the videos, you have an option to split them. So once you go to split, you can go over here somewhere around the center or at the end. And if you were to press done, what happens is that it splits out two of those videos, as you can see. So this is the first part and the second part. They will play normally right over here, but they're actually two different video clips. Let me just go back, press Ctrl Z to undo that out, or you can go over here and undo that out as well. So you can go over here and then you can add in a text to the video as well. So you can add in the same theme right over here. So wanna have local food, something like that. So I'm going to ask that question, keep it at the bottom right over here. So something like wanna have something local food, press OK, and there you go. So I can go over here onto the front, press play, and then you will have that text as well, as you can see, with a bit of animation, as you can see right there. So you got local food right over there, and then this one. So you can go over here and add in much more effects as well. So you can go over here and add in something like text. Of course, you can add in something like motion, where the video is zooming in. So if I were to press play, you can see that if I were to do this, there's a bit of a zoom in animation going on right over there, or you can work around with those as well. It's not very clear on this one. Let's work around with this one to see how it looks like. So I'm going to go around with this one. That's the zoom in right, and you can see that there's a bit of a zoom going on right over there. So I want to add in zoom, let's say on this one as well. So I'm going to go to motion right over here. So let's say I want to add in a zoom. So if I were to do this, you can see that that is how it looks like. But I want to zoom in the center, so I want it to zoom in. So you can see that there's a bit of a zoom going on right over there, just like that over there. The other options you have are 3D effects as well. So you can go to 3D effects, and you can add in effects like these right over here if you want to. So you can rotate these 3D effect as well, just like that, and they play around just like that, as you can see right here. So you can actually expand these out as well. So let's say this is like magic and so forth. You can press OK, and the 3D effects are added in over here, as you can see, just like that as well. The other things that you can work with is the filters. So you can add in different looks to your scene, as you can see. So I'm going to make it look a bit more warm right over here. So I'm going to go for warm look right, just like that, just like this. Let's say, for example, just like this one, Pearl right over here. So I'm going to press OK, and the video effect has been added, as you can see. You can also work around with the speed of the video right over here. Like you can make it slow, or you can make it fast. So if you make it slow, this is way too slow, as you can see right over here. Even the 3D effects are here. So I'm just going to remove out the 3D effect from over there. So I'm just going to close this out and press done right over here. So the 3D effect has been removed. So besides this, you can change the speed. So I'm going to change it back into normal right over here. And the other things that you can do is remove the black bar. So if you were to rotate this out, so if you were to rotate, you can see that you don't see the entire picture, but you see black bars. But if you were to remove the black bars right over here, you can see that even if you rotate, it tries to remove the black bars as much as it can, just like this. And if you want to delete the video, then you just click this one. So let's say in my case, I want to delete this one out right here. You can simply press delete, and there you go. Another thing that you can do is you can add in background musics right over here. So you can add in custom audio as well. So I can add in custom audio file from right over here. So let's say I want to add in something like the seasons audio file right here. So let me open that out and press done. And if I were to do that, you'll hear the audio as well. Okay, so that's the audio over there as well. So you can go to custom audio. You can trim out the audio as per your liking right over there, just like that. So you can add in the audio, as you can see, just like that, and then your video is ready. So once you're ready to export the video, click on finish video right over here. And then you can choose the quality. So I'm just going to go for the low quality right over here, so for faster render, and I'm going to click on export. But be sure to add and use hardware accelerated encoding, as that does make the rendering faster. So once you press export, you can choose where you can export the file to. So I'm just going to say desktop and export that out right over here, and it takes some time to export the video just like that, and the video will be exported, and you can see that it is playing in the video player right over here. And now you'll be able to share it with everyone around through social media pages and so forth. So this is the video editing feature that the Photos app provides in Microsoft Windows 10. You can see that you can do basic edits to work around with your stories. You can add in effects and make up a story. So that is how you can edit a video using the Photos app in Microsoft Windows 10. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.